guys, today I will teach you how to read. First, you need to learn the basic. A is for A, B is for ba, C is for k, and D is for da, and E is for e. F is for f, and G is for g, and H is for h, and I is for I. J is for j, K is for k, L is for l, M is for N is for O is for P is for P, Q is for Q, and R is for R, and S is for S, T is for T, U is for A, and V is for V, W is for W, X is for X, and Y is for Y, and Z is for Z. Now let's start reading. Let's start with the A or A. Let's read the short story of the ant. The is an ant. This is an ant. This is an ant. This ant is fast. This is a fast ant. Fact is this is fast. Let's read the story of a cat and a mouse. Cow has a cat. Cow is his cat. The cat will come. Cow cat is
Cute.
Huh?
Cute.
Cute. Cows. Cell cat.
Cows. Cat.
House cat is who a
Clean.
clean. Who cows who cat is who cow calm
Calm.
calm who cows cat can the
Find.
find
Mice.
mice cows cat can
Chase.
chase
Mice.
mice cows cat can clash
Catch.
catch mice.
Very good.
Let's read the letter D or the. The dan the and the dog the dan the did that
Like.
the dogs the dogs
Where.
where are the
Danger.
danger the dogs can
Scare.
scare
You.
you is in the dark A D dad G A T got A D A G dog N O U no
Now.
now D A dan
Does
das
like
like D A G dogs D A dan O A S west
place
place U I
t
with I his the A G dog A who owl
all
but it's so oh
it's pronounced as all. Okay, go.
the A down
They
they the A dan I A S less
place
place A U I with is his the A G dog the A dance the A G dog
likes
likes A ta the S rest up the A dance the dog dog the I dirks A from is his the is this the A the dan the dog the the I G digs in a the I her the
dearth
dirt. Guys, always remember If you don't know, you read one by one. It's all for today, guys. Next time I will read another story for you. Bye, thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, watch, and ring the bell button. Bye.